everybody, Doug Lacombe here from Communicatto with our intro for the Altitude newsletter of August 2018. I was doing something the other day, which highly unusual for me. I haven't done for a few decades, really, and that is changing out a car battery. I used to do a fair bit of car maintenance in my 20s when I couldn't afford to take it into the garage, so I learned in the driveway. But this seemed pretty simple. Battery, no big deal, and that turned out to be true. But it did get me thinking. You need a lot of maintenance for your website, just like you need oil changes and tire changes and battery changes in your vehicle. Your website needs a bit of love and attention from time to time. That can be customer journeys. Are they taking the right path through the website that you intended? Have you got the right keywords set up to draw them in from the search engines, and so on and so forth. So this month's edition of Altitude has information on that. We have stuff on Instagram marketing. We have a little bit on keyword research. But it all boils down to one thing. You have to diagnose what's happening with your website. And that generally means an audit of some sort, a content audit, SEO audit, structural audit, tech audit, engagement audit. There's lots of things that we can measure and bring some context to. But bottom line is, if you're just filling up that website and then hoping for the best, that's not going to work out. And even worse, if you are filling up that website and nobody's paying any attention, then that's really sad. So we want to make sure you get the best out of your website. Probably starts with an audit. Have a look through Altitude and enjoy this month's edition. Thanks for reading.